office of the Always Believe House. It's a gorgeous Saturday outside, but I'm in here making videos for you because you are awesome. So let's get started. In this lesson, we're going to write the slope of a line. We're going to do that from a graph, an equation, 2 points, and a table and a verbal description. So you've got to be able to graph the line and figure out what all that is from all of those categories. And over the next 2 days, we will do that, okay? So let's get going, and I need to record this or I will be talking for nothing. And a magical whiteboard appears and we are going here. Remember, your slope is up or down over right. Up or down over right. We not only do we have to find the slope, we got to write the point slope, and we're going to use one of the points. Let's use the left point first, okay? So we're going to use the point on the left to make these equations. So let's go over here, plot the 2 points you have, and then draw an arrow. You have to go down and to the right, don't you? Hold on, I got to let the cat out. Okay, so we are going to go down and to the right. How many times did you go down? You went down 3 and to the right 2, didn't you? So our slope, put m equal -3 over 2. That means we went down 3, right 2, down 3, right 2. This ordered pair, use the ordered pair on the left, would be 1, 2, 3, would be -3, 2, would it? That's kind of cool. It's the same as the slope. Okay, so this is our x, this is our y, this is our m, and we're going to plug it into point slope. So not only are we getting the slope, we're generating the point slope equation. So we're going to write down y minus 2 equals -3 over 2, parentheses, x plus 3. Technically, that is the equation of this line. Okay, you could change it to point slope, or you could change it to slope intercept or standard. You would get the same thing. So you're going to take the slope, get the point on the left, and then plug it into point slope. Okay, let's go down to number 5. Okay, on these 4 problems, on 5 to 8, this is standard. And remember, standard is ax plus by equals c, and the slope is equal to -a over b in it. The slope is equal to -a over b. So let's do number 7. Number 7, A, B, and C. Draw a negative fraction bar and put A over B. So there's 2 negatives. The 2 negatives will make a positive. So your slope would be 3 over 5, would it? That's pretty simple. If it's in standard, just -A over B. Also remember, if your x is positive, your y and your slope will be opposite signs, right? So your B term, if it's positive, the slope's negative. If the b term's negative, the slope's positive. Now then, on 9 to 12, you want to make them y equal mx plus b. So you want to solve for y. You want to solve for y, then your slope will be in front of your x. So on number 9, an x equal line, remember an x equal line has a slope that's undefined, right? Don't forget that. That's a vertical line that goes, that would be actually the y-axis, okay? Let's do number 12. So on number 12, we're going to do this, and we're going to solve it for y. And let's move the 7x over. So we're going to have 7x plus 12 equals 4y. Now then, I'm going to flip this around. 4y equals 7x plus 12, so it's like in the right way. Divide by 4, and I'll get y equals 7 over 4x plus 3. The 7 over 4 is my slope in it. Okay. So on number 5 to 8, do -a over b. And on number 10 and 11, solve those equations for y, and you'll get your slope. Now then, down here, remember your slope is y minus y over x minus x, technically y2 minus y1. Now then, after you do that, do the first point and right point slope. So we're going to find the slope. The first point, we're going to plug it into point slope. So let's go through this. I would always tell you to write down fraction bar minus minus. Now then, let's plug in. We're going to put -5 and 14 on the top. -5, not -15. So -5 and 14 go on the top. And then my x's will be negative 3 and negative 8. Notice there's two negatives there, right? Those two negatives will turn into a positive. So this is going to turn into negative 5 minus 14 is going to be negative 19 over negative 3 plus 8 is 5. That is my slope. Now then I'm going to plug this into point slope with the first point. So I'll have y minus 14 equals negative 19 over 5 parentheses x plus 8. And that would be my point slope line, wouldn't it? So you're going to find your slope. The first point, take that into slope and plug it into point slope. And just stop, okay? So you don't have many more of these left. This should be a pretty simple lesson. Tomorrow we will continue this. Remember, you've got to be able to get the slope from a graph, from an equation, from 2 points, from a table, and from a verbal description. 5 things. We're going to go through that in this lesson. Have a great day. Work on the star review when you're done with this. Try to get that done. Let me stop recording here so it could start generating my file. Oh, what a day. I'm almost done with these lessons. I hope you have a great, great day. Remember, you are amazing. You were created to do wonderful things. Enjoy your 17 seconds is in, and you are awesome.